Well, as you can see, we're going up. On a Tuesday night, I should be at home watching Lester Holt, but I get a call from my boss saying we got problems in San Francisco. That's what I'm watching. I gotta get past that, nice and easy. I'll back up a little bit. Here we go, going up. I said up. So you can see I was called because they have a sprinkler leak. Not here, but up here. So you always look around when you go up. And there's your leak. That pinhole leak really started spraying, and it was spraying right there. So we're gonna put a repair clamp on it, and that's basically a band-aid for a pipe. So let's get to work and see what happens. Peace. Peace. Okay, so I got the water filling up that main right there, and you can see this repair clamp is on, but there's no pressure yet, so we don't know if it's going to work. But I will order a new piece of pipe. It won't be that hard to fix, except for those painted Vic coupling nuts on that. That's what makes it hard, when they paint the nuts. So I'll order this new piece of pipe, which is couldn't be in a better spot. So all my whining usually for nothing. Well, half the battle of fixing this leak is it has a pump on it. This fire sprinkler pump pumps this system up to about 160 pounds, give or take. And that is going to be a test for that Band-Aid. Yeah, there is 175 pounds on this. So hopefully this will work. Think positive. Right now I only have 25. Just let it fill up, start the pump up. Well, never start the pump up. Just the little jockey pump. The little jockey pump right there in the center of your screen. Okay. Wish me luck. Okay. So I got 100 pounds on it. So I think we'll come back and replace that 3/4 inch head. Even if it was to leak tonight, I would still leave, because there's not a lot I can do. 4'8" to the center of the 3/4 outlet. 4'8" to the center of 3/4 outlet. Boy, this looks good. All right. Don't fall. Okay, it's got 175 pounds on it. Looks dry to me. We'll call it a night. Well, I'm doing a 5-year here at this undisclosed location, and as you can see, they built this little brake mezzanine, and they have all these fancy cars in here. But this mezzanine with all their tools and oil and batteries and Teslas and tires have no sprinklers here. So I would say this worries me a little bit. Should have some kind of sprinklers in here. All these tires. No sprinklers around that.